Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing your device and app. Make sure you have a stable connection because live updates depend on it. Open the Live Score app or site, then log in or use guest access. This lets you personalize feeds. Once done, choose your primary sport and country preferences so filters load faster. Enable push notifications and location. This ensures instant alerts for matches near you. Don't skip permissions. They streamline the rest of the workflow and reduce manual searching. Now you move into the app's core, feeds and filters. Tap Live to view ongoing matches. Swipe to upcoming and results to plan ahead because context matters for tracking form. Use league, team, and time range filters to reduce noise. Apply a single league filter, then refine with team selections. Once filtered, open a match and enable per match alerts for goals, red cards, or start times so you don't miss key events. Make sure to test sound and vibration settings before kickoff. During a match, focus on the timeline and stats panels. They explain who's dominating, why a substitution happened, and when momentum shifted. Use live commentary and event timestamps to correlate stats with match events because that context helps your decisions. If scores lag, toggle auto refresh or perform a manual pull to refresh. Make sure background data is allowed. If problems persist, check your connection, briefly toggle airplane mode, restart the app, and only then reinstall. These steps resolve most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.